Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam bag. This is just a regular bag. It's $12. It did used to be $10, but in the last few months, I think around October or November, it did go up to $12. You still get 5 sample size in it. Every now and then you might get a full-size lipstick or a liner. Eyeliner normally, but you just still get a cute little bag. And now they have the Glam Bag Plus and the Glam Bag Ultimate. Now, I'm not a big fan of the Glam Bag Ultimate because for $50, you get 8 full-size products and 4 sample size, which would be alright, but I don't know, they just don't bring it. With the Glam Bag Plus, it's $25. You get 5 full-size products, and they do a lot better job there. I don't know. I'm just been very disappointed with Ipsy lately. But in each one, you get a small bag, a medium bag, and then the large bag. Mine jingles. I hope nothing's broke. Okay. So I did pick an item. I picked a concealer, the Morphe concealer. I've never tried it. I've heard conflicting things, so there's the jingle. It's the bag itself, so it does match the other bag, which I just think is so cute. The other one's got a strap, but I like this one too. I just love the marble design. I love the keychain, or the little key, the zipper. I love the zipper. I mean, everything about these bags are so cute. The marble design to me is just awesome. It's just something better that I like. Okay, so in the theme this month is Clean Slate. We're just going to put our card to the side. On the Glam Bag Plus, they do give you, like, what you're getting in it. The prices on this one, they don't, because it's sampled, so I guess it's no use to put the prices. Okay, so this is Jules Smith Beauty, and it is a lip gloss. It's in the color Moonbeam Dream, and I cannot get it open. I do like the packaging. I think it's really cute. The gold, it doesn't want to come off. Let me see. Even though it's got the little dotted thing, I don't know. There we go. Finally. Ooh. So it's just a gloss. It first comes out white, but then it goes like an iridescent color. Then more clear, but it's got that iridescent vibe to it, changing colors. So it don't feel sticky. You don't feel like like your lips are gonna stick together or anything like that. I like to use stuff like this just a little bit over top my lipstick or something. So I will probably just throw this in my bag or something like that. Okay, so you take London is our next thing. It's the Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. Now, I'm not really crazy about blushes that glow. I want mine more like just with no glitter in it, no shine. I just want a plain, I guess, matte. But I do think these are so pretty. But I just don't know. I've got all kinds of them. I just don't know. It'd probably be like anything else. I probably wouldn't use it because of the shimmer. But it is such a pretty color. And it is in the color, it should say. Well, I don't see the color. It's just, all it says is Skin Brightening Blush. So, I do like the color. I just don't know if I'd use it or not. Because I use highlighter, and that would just be probably too much glow. Then we have the Seed to Skin Scrub. Now, I've got some of their creams, body creams. I absolutely love them. They are just so, like, make your skin feel just wonderful. So, I hope this, but this really, you can feel, it's not really got a lot of, it's a big bottle. You're supposed to get 0.7 ounces, but I'm not really sure about that because it really ain't much in here, as you can tell. It's just a lot of air. So this is it right here. It is good and gritty. It does smell good. So I hope it's like the, well, I just dropped something, but I do hope it's like the lotion. Okay, then we have the Hevea Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream Sea Kiss. I've got these in like all kinds of different Dead Sea stuff. I've got the white bottles and stuff like that. So I know these are really good. They'll leave your hands so silky and smooth. They do smell good. But they, I mean, for a hand cream, I'll probably throw this one in my bag since I already got one laying on my vanity. And one laying probably everywhere because I do have quite a few of these. Because these are like really, really good. Okay, so the last thing in our bag is the, you know, and this is full size. So this is the Morphe concealer. You get 4.5 milliliters in it. And I got the color C1.55. It is soft matte. I did not expect it. I did pick this item, but I did not think it was going to be full size. It is right here. So for $12, this probably really covers your whole bag, and the other samples are just like free. And here it is. It feels really good. It's really good and thick, like it would cover up. So we will see. I hope it does, and I'm very, very happy that it is full size. I really thought we'd get like a little bitty sample, but they did surprise me. And inside the bag, it does have the little Ipsy thing. You know, I did get a really good bag this month. The lip gloss, I really liked it. I do like this. It's just, I don't know if I use it as a blush or not. I'm still, like, considering it. Because, I don't know, it's such a pretty color. But, I mean, would I use that or not? Because I don't want my cheeks to overglow. I do like a good glow. I just don't want to overglow. And, let me see, what else did we get? Okay. I'm going to give my bag, let me see, I got the, I don't know, probably like a 4 out of 5, because we did get a full-size item, and this being a full-size item, it's like, really takes the cake. And I really do like, I've got this plenty of time in all kinds of prescriptions. It is a really good hand cream. It really leaves your hands really good and, I mean, like silky soft, and I do like this brand a lot. That's where I'm going to take the point from, because this has not got very much in it. If you look like you'd at least fill the bottle up to here, not to down here. But I do like everything I got this month. But if I don't use this as a blush, I can always use it for shadow. So, but I am still tickled to death with this. So I guess that's it. Hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you will be notified when I do upload, which is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And sometimes I do like bonus videos like during subscription boxes times. And if you'd like to try Ipsy for yourself, I will leave the link down in the description box below so you can check it out. This month, if you sign up, you get a free thing of Glam Glow face wash, which is pretty cool. But I guess that's it. I hope you guys did like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.